Today we're here in the Cairngorms to do a release of a family of beavers that we've caught from Glenfarg. We've got a family group of 4, a mum and a dad, and the older offspring, a male, and the younger kit is a female. The family we've brought here to the Cairngorms were caught from Glenfarg Scottish Water site. We use a trapping system, big beaver traps, and bait them with lots of nice treats for them. Then we catch them up and then they're taken to our dedicated holding facility and health screening at Five Sisters Zoo. About 30% of the national park is great beaver habitat and a really nice new site that they can call home and no disturbance for them.
We understand that the beavers have moved their way up from part of the Erne catchment and they've worked their way up the Farg through the village of Glenfarg, which just happens to be beside Scottish Water Treatment Works. And they've managed to set themselves in a nice little quiet spot towards the top of the Farg. So we're wandering down towards the entrance of the treatment works and we'll make our way down to the Farg where you'll be able to see the Beaver Lodge and you'll see some of the wetlands that they've created. They've set themselves up with a couple of dams, they've created their waterlogged area and they've built their Beaver Lodge to create a wetland area, but unfortunately it sits where we're needing to build the majority of our new infrastructure. Beaver Lodge just there, you can see the pile of sticks. The river level is currently about 2 to 3 foot higher than it naturally would be, and that's been driven by the dam that you can see just down there. The beavers would have been hemmed in between an operational treatment works, temporary construction roads and large vehicle movements, disturbing their times and disturbing the areas that they consider to be home and they run free in. The works here feeds about 180,000 people. The network that feeds all through Fife is all tied back into a starting point of here, so there's very few opportunities to build in a different way and as critical infrastructure. We've got some rather large assets to build on site. We have 2 years of major earthworks and large civils construction, which includes removing large chunks of the hillside and then laying new mains up through the valley floor. We're looking at a 3-year construction programme in the region of £110 to £114 million. We worked extensively with ecology consultants. We engaged with Nature Scotland specialists to try and understand what the right thing was to do. Beavers are naturally ecosystem engineers and they deliver what we are trying to deliver elsewhere through peatland restorations and other drainage schemes. We are looking at reinstating a level of biodiversity that matches where we are at the moment. The environment may well be suitable for beavers to choose to move back into at some point in the future in the way that it was attractive to them at the first time.